Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. As we are seeing Python tricks and tips, here is our next trick. So here is concept of tuple packing and unpacking. So here tuple packing means you are packing values in one tuple. So in tuple round brackets are not mandatory. So when you are taking values in this way, this is one tuple. So what you are doing, so x is one tuple and you are packing 100, 200 and 300, these three value in one tuple, right? And this is tuple unpacking, means you are unpacking the values whatever in this tuple, right? Here a b c, as here three values you have packed, so at at the time of unpacking you should have three variables to receive those values. So here this is one box and you are unpacking these values from this box. It is like that. So 100 will go in a, 200 will go in b, and 300 will go in c. So whatever we have seen, we will see this practically. Now we will see tuple packing and unpacking. For example, x is there, so I am packing now these three values in one tuple. So now these three values are packed. So I will take here x. So we will print this x on the console. So we will find that this is one tuple, right? 100, 200 and 300. Now I want to unpack this. So what we have done here, I will mention here comment packing, right? So now we want to do unpacking. So while unpacking, what we need to do, we need to take three containers, means three variables we are taking. So as there are three variables, three values in tuple, so now we are unpacking those values in variable a, b and c. Now we will print this on the console using f string a, then b, then c, right? Now we'll run this. So now this is a is containing 100, b is containing 200 and c is containing 300, right? So in this way you can do tuple packing and unpacking. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.